There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Not quite permanent yet, it needs to get welded. I just have it held on by them two clamps at the moment. But I have never seen this tube roll so smooth. That is just amazing. I replaced the bearings with smaller ones to fit the new diameter of the pipe, and that turned out perfect. I am really happy with this. This is from the other side. You can see the tiny seams of the two halves go by, and it doesn't even really notice it. Doesn't even notice it. There's no coal in the tube at the moment. I just wanted to make sure it was going to roll okay before I started feeding with it. There's the new bearings. Smaller. I did have to grind a couple of corners down to get my clearance. But yeah, I like this. You can see the top bearing of that keeper there. It just gets brushed. It's so close. Not bad at all. Alright. My buddy's gonna come over tomorrow and we're gonna tack weld that sucker right to the pipe. Thanks for watching.